Hey guys, today we're going to look at adjectives. Adjectives are describing words, and they describe nouns and pronouns. Adjectives can tell you things like what kind, and examples would be furry or beautiful. Adjectives can also tell you how many, like 5 or many. So in our sentence here, the new that should be player, scored 2 gorgeous goals in the exciting game. Let's find all the adjectives. We're looking for words that tell what kind or how many. And adjectives describe nouns. They have to describe a noun. So the new hockey player, here we're going to just underline new because it tells what kind of player, and hockey because it describes what kind of player. Scored 2 tells how many goals. Gorgeous describes what kind of goals. And game, it describes what kind of game. So it answers questions what kind or how many, and it has to describe a noun. Many people are watching the amazing skiers fly down the steep mountain in the Olympics. Let's find the adjectives. Many describes people. Amazing describes skiers. Steep describes mountain. And that's it. Add a word here. Add an adjective to describe Olympics. What would you put? We have special types of adjectives, and they're called the articles. And you have to memorize all of them. Start working. There's 3. A, an, and the. Those are your articles. They usually come before a noun. They're a good clue to let you know that a noun is coming. And when I talk about the articles, I'm talking about a, an, and the.